the free car giveaway is nearly done. It's ready to go. It's just got to be cleaned inside and out, and it could be one of yours. All you've got to do, we've made up a new email that'll be on the screen, free car giveaway 2026@gmail.com. Just give us a little message on there. Let us know if you know anyone who's just learning to drive or who could really be helped out by this nice little runner. We've fixed the alternator, we've sorted the steering, we've done the lights, we've put the new brakes on. It's had a full service. It's a decent little car now for someone. So let us know. Give us an email on there. We've had people contact us from America, India, Jamaica, Argentina. Ideally, a little bit local would be helpful. I'd love to be able to get it out there, but it just doesn't really make sense. Hopefully, if this all goes well, we can do it again and give another car away, maybe something a little bit bigger, maybe a little bit better. But remember, you've got to be subscribed to the YouTube channel for this car to be yours. So give us an email, let us know, make sure you've subscribed, let us know you've subscribed, and tell us where you are, what you think you deserve the car, and we'll try and get it to you guys as soon as possible. It's hopefully giving it away. Next weekend is when we're going to decide who the winner is, and the video after that, the weekend after, will hopefully be us giving this car to the new owner. We'll turn up, there's no tickets to buy, there's no purchase at all. We'll just turn up, we'll sign it over to you, and it's yours forever. Or if you don't want to keep the car, sell it, you get about £1,000 for it, take the cash instead. It's entirely up to you, whatever helps you out. So keep up to date with us, hit the icons, send us a comment, whatever works, and we'll see you on the new one when we've got the videos coming of all the repairs that we did on it as well. And we've got videos more for the Range Rover. We've got the new car coming out very soon. We've got plenty of stuff to fix on the merch, and we've got a new partnership for clothing as well that I'll introduce on the next video, which is exciting stuff. So keep up to date with Turtle Media at Turtle Media Productions, and we'll see you very soon.